Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to recover a Gmail password. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to recover a Gmail password, you can follow these steps. Now, first thing we're gonna do is go to your Gmail login page on your computer or on your mobile device. Now, click your email or phone number to log in. Then, press forgot. Then just click next. Then just press forgot password. Now, there will be an account recovery. To help keep your account safe, Google wants to make sure that it's really you trying to sign in on your account. Now, there is a notification sent to other phone, and just tap on the other phone and click yes on the notification to verify that it's you. Or you can try another way if you don't have access on that phone. So press that. And here, there is an email with a verification code that was sent to another Gmail account. So just enter the code that was sent on that email. Then just click next. Now, you can update your password if it's already forgotten. So, you can click the update password. Now, you can create a new password, which is a strong password that you don't use for other websites. Then, just click Save Password. So, just agree to the terms and services. Just press Agree. And now, your Gmail password is already recovered. So, I hope that this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, can you put it in the comment section below? And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!